welcome back to Imaginations Games on date night. I am Imaginations Games.
And I'm Bandit Ryu.
This is a lot louder than I remembered it being.
Hey, you're also Donnie.
I am, but that's normal. We got these kids.
Thank you, Scotch. Just flicked her tail into my face. There's Lutess's.
No, it's not Lutess's.
Are you sure?
Yeah. His hair would be more orange.
Okay.
And he wouldn't look at me so distastefully. We got these people playing in the ocean.
Cold. Come on, don't be such a crybaby.
Yeah.
Fine. 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes.
I think that's Colette's voice actor from Tales of Symphonia.
I have no idea. Let's try to get our health back up.
Why would you leave money with your bread?
Where else would you put it?
That's fair.
If we go near certain people on this beach.
See a girl around here? Blue skirt, dark hair. Look at this one. Why don't you just sleep it off, chum?
Ow.
Hey, we're looking for a young girl. Who is it, brother?
That's actually a famous voice actor. I forget his name.
So certain people will trigger him to say some things. So you go back here. There's some money. Now, we're very close to a couple Easter eggs. We're also close to this.
The prophet may know how his own biography is going to end, but I can scarcely fathom how I'm going to start it. I mean, other than the kids' stuff you get at the Hall of Heroes, anything prior to his baptism wasn't here, unquote. Hang on. Left on the riverside. Don't call me a plagiarist, but I'm going to spend the first 30 pages regurgitating scripture.
You are the reason everything is wrong with this world.
So, President Comstock's airship. The First Lady's aerodrome. Now, here's another Easter egg over here. In the first BioShock, if you go to one of the baby strollers, you can find a pistol in the seat. Because we'd already have a pistol, there's just pistol ammo in this one. So that's another little Easter egg for you guys.
So many noises.
It's windy over there.
I love the music here, though.
So we're gonna go ahead and do the battleship kinetiscope.
It's too bad they don't keep the music. I'm sorry.
The thumping is Ryu holding onto Scotch's tail, and now she's taking revenge.
Great.
That's all that.
Salts.
Yes. And sardines.
Gross.
Huh?
Not a fan of sardines.
Oh. Let's go in here.
Sandwich. You stole someone's lunch.
Yeah, you know whose? That guy's.
Great.
Scotch is knocking the microphone.
Oh, shit. I got it. We're good. Now she's sitting on my hand.
Sorry about that.
The whole thing's rigged. All I want is fair pay for an honest day's work.
Recognize that voice actor? Because that is the voice of Atlas from BioShock 1.
And you just stole his entire money.
Yep. But that's okay. Honest day's work, honest day's pay. Which is nothing.
Yeah, that sounds right.
Later, homie.
Everything's changed. People don't know their place anymore.
Tell me about it. An Oriental stopped me on the street and asked me for the time. Just like that.
So many racisms.
Jerks. Stripes are very in with these people. Now, Elizabeth is over there. We're gonna go over here first. No thanks, man. I don't go that way. At least, I mean, I do for cute guys, but you're just not my type.
Yeah, hopefully you get more health by this point.
You're over here. Here's some salts.
Who throws away $30?
Look at him, Louise. Crime someone doesn't get him a nice set of trumps.
Well then.
Alrighty then. Well.
I can tell my wife is scared. I don't
all the health you're gonna get.
Alrighty. So now we go back around this. Well, I mean, not necessarily.
Ew.
Garbage sandwich.
It's better than floor ice cream.
Alright. Elizabeth.
Hey, miss it.
Look at her.
She's having fun.
She's cute.
Miss. 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 Elizabeth.
Hello. Oh, this is wonderful. Well, come dance with me, Mr.
I
Quinn.
don't dance. Let's go.
Why? What can be better than this?
How about Paris?
Paris, I don't understand. How could we get there?
That's where that airship's going, but if you want to stay and dance, we can.
No, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go right now.
She dances away.
Sergeant, it's true.
Man, the music changes so quick.
I've never seen anything like that before, have you?
Listen closely.
Just I know it don't smell much like that.
You recognize that tune? Because it's Girls Just Want to Have Fun by Cyndi Lauper.
Oh. Did they pay for that?
No.
Ah.
Fuck you guys.
Do you know this artificial beach was built in only 6 months?
Wow.
How do you know that?
From one of the books I can review. They also search passing well for reading.
And that's one of the best things about this game. You don't
Yeah.
gotta protect her.
I think she was voted the best fucking
NPC.
NPC of all time.
Mr. DeWitt.
Interesting that she says that now.
I've read about him. They say he can see the future.
Give a man a little power. He falls in all kinds of love with himself.
I don't like his luck.
So she doesn't even like Comstock.
Can we leave now?
We can leave after I go through
Steal more of the boiler room.
This looks like a real ocean. It's just a set of elaborate pumps and rain catchers.
She's very smart.
No, you're full on
No
salt.
crunk dizzy.
No, you're full on salts.
Always, always, always going to any room that you can. Always. No matter what.
Yeah, there's a lot to search for.
Fall into the water to do no favors. I'll keep an eye out for something that might ease your pain.
I already
She throws you health, she throws you ammunition.
No, she is literally the best. If you ever have a partner that you have to go into any sort of battle with, you better hope that they're like Elizabeth.
Seems like we're fairly lucky, Mr. DeWitt.
What's it?
Some cigars. Nope.
$5.
I don't think you're an employee.
No, but
Neither
they're
is she.
fine. Yeah, why? This
That's
is
just
employees
weird.
only.
That's weird.
It's dirty. I'm gonna go.
Slowly backs out, pushes Elizabeth. Come on, we have to go. Gets all of
There's
the
another
breadsticks.
Comstock airship advertisement.
I love how vibrant each one of these places are. Oh, the choice. Goody.
Mr. DeWitt, here.
Give me a second. I'm busy stealing the things.
Or the cage.
Or perhaps the bird.
Nothing beats the cage.
He's still. Never mind.
Alright, guys.
Look at these, they're amazing. Which one do you like more, this one or this?
So, we have a decision.
Beautiful, and the cage is somber, but there's really something special about it. I just can't decide.
Should we do the bird or the cage?
Oh, I think the bird makes more sense.
Alrighty, bird it is.
The one on the right.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
I love it. Surprising. I expected the cage.
If you're going to be a swim loser, then I should do this again.
It's just so mystery.
And they're gone. Immediately.
Who doesn't like the Lutesses?
Look,
You alright?
There's Monument Island.
that was my home.
We should get out of here.
Let's go.
But first, some barrels. Or not.
Suddenly the whole mood changes.
Why didn't the prophet see this?
How about that?
Yeah, that is something that you should wonder.
was the soul worker this time?
Oh, trust me, he was there.
What I want to know is,
Look, there's the
send a handyman around.
girls just want to have fun tune again.
What are they good for? Except scary.
Well, first off, handymen aren't supposed to be for fucking show.
Want the wallet.
That was a
And-
lot of money.
And all the cotton candy I didn't pay for.
I think they stopped caring at this point. They have a lot of...
Oh.
photographic identification presentation.
Can't go that way.
Arms up now. Fingers apart.
No.
Legs apart. Stand still.
No.
Now hold steady.
I'm just gonna.
I ain't getting through there.
I have just the thing. Come on.
Where are we going?
I love how Elizabeth handles things.
Hey, cop. Look at this one. He's suspicious if you ask me.
Alright, quiet down there. Just go home and dry yourself out.
Yeah, go home, Pete. It's a locked door.
Damn thing's locked.
Haha. Not for Elizabeth, it ain't.
What are you doing?
You're a roguish type. Listen, done.
Remember, she had a lot of time to practice.
Traps in a tower with nothing but books and spare time. You would be surprised what I know to do.
Dirty.
Yeah, kinda.
I would be surprised.
In a pleasant way.
Or to not. Elizabeth, be more specific. How would I be surprised? I love how just looking at it, I open all the drawers, except the middle ones.
I must take any task with more than the slightest complexity. They simply leave it in rules for me to clean up later.
Sorry, man.
No, sir. Oh, you baby don't never mind. Just foolishness, you know. Just monkey shines.
You probably just stole his entire wage just now.
Don't worry, homie. I got you. I'll make sure you starve.
Okay.
Or Elizabeth.
There's apparently another crate.
Yeah. A banana.
Over here.
Hey.
Look.
I found these silver cables. There's an ending tax.
Another thing that Elizabeth is great.
Probably a good idea.
Because she doesn't just do that one time.
Yeah, she
She
does
does
it all
that
the time.
all the time. She loves throwing nickels at your face. I think we're good. Alright?
Yep. Well, I mean, you might want to check anyways. Yep.
Good on health. Good on
Same,
salt.
same two guns that you've been able to carry so far.
And we're good on ammo. Who appreciates value?
There's so many little things about this game. It's amazing.
I want to meet the voice of that guy soon. Alright. Anything in here? Hey!
Try asking the girl a few key questions.
Yes, we know what gear is. Boots!
New boots.
Killing an enemy from a skyline gives a 50% chance of brief invulnerability.
Which is always nice.
And we're also not wearing boots currently. So, regardless, let's take it.
Such as, don't you think those Vox Storyline folk have a valid complaint against the Prophet?
No.
And
Shut up.
I'm sure so.
Daisy Fitzroy.
When I first seen Columbia, that sky was the brightest, bluest sky there ever was.
Always with the...
It seemed like heaven. Then your eyes adjusted to the light, and you saw that sea of white faces looking hard back at you.
So Daisy felt shut out, despite the fact that she liked the look of the place, because there weren't enough people like her being treated fairly. Hey, look, who are they?
Hey, mister. We'd like to help you.
They're the people that you helped escape.
Back in the lottery, you. Without you, we wouldn't have gotten away.
Daisy always said somebody like you would come along.
See? So there was a good thing that came out of that raffle.
There's also some gear.
Yep. Hat.
More hats.
Grants brief invulnerability when gaining health from snacks and health kits, compared to Burning Halo, where a melee target is
I
set on
think
fire.
that Burning Halo is better.
I agree. We're gonna take it, but we're not going to equip it. Anyway, you guys enjoy yourselves. Now, there's another Easter egg in here that I'm going to say before we actually enter the room, because it's pretty instantaneous. There are some Duke and Dimwit things, and at E3, this game was supposed to come out 3 months before it actually did, I think. but it was delayed 3 times. So when we get in here, Elizabeth says a line about how it was delayed 3 times as sort of a nod to the fact that yes, this game did take forever.
Kind sir, would you happen to have the time?
Hey, Wallace Flintlock. It's the newest one in the series. I read it was delayed 3 times.
That's a pretty interesting Easter egg. Scott, you're almost making my hand fall
There's
asleep.
cash.
Lovely.
Thank you.
That'll do.
Okay, got 3 things.
That's what.
Hey,
Oh.
you miss. I'm Candy here. It's your candy.
She looks so smug.
She's still just a kid.
We
Steve
secede
from
from
So-Called
so
Union.
called.
Didn't we see these before?
I don't think so.
I think we saw these when we first entered the bar.
Well,
I
we've
at the
never-
very least remember this one.
Okay, as long as it's not part of Sightseer, I think it's fun.
I think we're good.
If we didn't already explain, if you look at every single telescope and kinetoscopes, you get a trophy called Sightseer, which you may have seen pop up occasionally when we've been looking at things.
That keeps track. However, I don't have that kind of patience, nor am I really that concerned about it. Let's play one of these for shits and giggles.
Great. Oh, goody.
So basically it's about how if you're patriotic, then you're a duke, and if you're not, then you're an idiot.
Yeah, there's way too
Long
much.
live Comstock. Also look,
Take a photograph with
the motorized
Florida
Patriot.
Voiced by Stephen Bloom.
He crossed the Delaware. On bended knee, he accepted the sword from the Angel Columbia. Come on, folks. Show your allegiance to flag and to the nation.
I'm good.
I am not a fan of motorized
And
Patriots.
saw with the prophecy
And Eden floating
in the mist.
By man forsworn, by heaven kissed.
You'll hear that line a lot if you're paying attention.
Oh, yeah.
Hall of Heroes, shock jockey.
Shout jockey's a trumpet. It's not a trumpet.
What's up, dude? What's up? You don't look happy.
He's not happy, no.
Welcome to Fight Club. How may I take your order?
She's working, is she?
Yes.
Man, a lot of people like that slogan.
Excuse me?
Annabelle, it's me, Esther.
No, I'm not Annabelle.
Are you sure?
My name is Elizabeth. Do I know you?
Elizabeth. Isn't that a lovely name?
That was odd.
Yeah,
Next
not.
customer. Park's closing. Park's closing, everyone.
Yes, we better be fast.
These shoes sure could benefit from a shine.
Well,
Guess I haven't paid much attention.
then you're a terrible duke.
That's Elizabeth humming, by the way.
Anyone watch out? I just swapped that.
Fucking straight on that shit.
Fuck you. Jump where I want. See the very dress worn by the Comstock herself. We'll see that later.
She just waits until you're ready to go.
She's great. Look at how nicely she sings. Alrighty.
Have you got sauerkraut?
No.
Sauerkraut? I guess so. I'll take one, please.
Okay.
One silvery.
When you get back up. There's another bag.
What's the money?
Nice.
Cash.
Appreciate it.
I was gonna say, damn, you're over 1,000 already?
Alrighty. Let's get back up these stairs. And we'll go through this archway next time on Date Night. This has been Imagination's Games.
And Bandit Ryu.
Signing out.